Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update on Luna Classic. And first of all, I was very wrong. All right. Yesterday, when we talked about the price was, I'm not even sure where we were. I mean, the price was right here, I think around 16, 17,000. And what I said is that I do expect resistance from 17,500, but then if it's able to hold support, I expect it to rally up higher towards 20,000, which in the end, it did do that, but it just broke through the price target immediately, and ever since has been super bullish. All right, so that's the current situation for Luna Classic. I mean, Luna Classic obviously was also helped by this bullish momentum from Bitcoin. The markets in general just were, very great for strong cryptos. And Luna Classic right now is just a very strong crypto. You can see the open interest. Bit of a drop in the last hour, but overall it has still increased a ton, almost doubled. Not completely, but almost. I think it's up like 70, 80%. And just in general, there's a lot of bullish fundamentals around Luna Classic. Now, I've said this yesterday, and I will repeat it. The moves we're seeing right now, it seems a little bit too much, almost. It really does, because I think the fundamentals for Luna Classic are strong. And I think they're bullish. But a move like this is, even with the news, which is amazing news, but this is a move of about, I'm not even sure how much it is. I mean, I think it's right here from these levels, it's up almost more than 250%, which for a crypto that has a volume of $1.2 billion right now and a market cap of 1.5 billion is a lot, all right? So at some point of time, look, at this moment, it's still bullish. If you look at the momentum, if you look at the open interest, it's still super high. So I would lie to you if I would say that it looks like it's going to crash. It really doesn't. It really doesn't look like it's going to crash. But it will, at some point of time, retrace quite hard. All right, because the fundamentals are strong. But in the end, if you really think about the long term, the possibility of USDC, for example, and the whole market mechanism being turned on and USDC really getting back to $1 is minimal. And I would say that something like that is needed to revive the Terra Classic ecosystem. And for Luna Classic to really sustainably be bullish, you need a Terra Classic ecosystem that's working, that's being used. And I don't see that happening. So for now, like I said, I'm still bullish. What Luna Classic right now is doing is it's testing the support level it broke above, which is between 25,000 and 23,500. All right, so that's this level right here. So now we're diving into the technicals. So it's testing that level. At this moment, given the market circumstances, but also given the open interest and the volume that we're still observing for Luna Classic, it seems most likely that Luna Classic will find support there and then break above its main resistance level at 27,500 to continue up to 30 and 31,500 up here, and then potentially afterwards up to 35,000. Depends a bit on how strong the breakout is. So that looks most likely. Now, I must warn you though that I would wait for confirmation, all right? Because it's a possibility. I'm not saying it will happen. And if it happens, then I was wrong again. It's fine, but you should know this. If Luna Classic drops down to that level and drops down below 23,500, that would be a little bit too much of a pullback. And then I do think we'll get some more bearish momentum down to 20,000, 19,000. And that the huge bullish momentum, as we've seen it in the last 24 hours, for example, stops at least temporarily. All right, so be careful for that. Be careful for that possibility because it is a realistic possibility. But overall, if you look at all the other factors and variables around Luna Classic, it looks most likely it will continue. So those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. Down in the pinned comment and the description, you'll also find links to my own premium group and Signal group. If that sounds interesting, check it out. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.